Hi, this is Arlene. So I'm going to play a video that I did yesterday on Periscope, and it's titled Chucking Up the Phlegm. Because when you get targeted, I get a lot of phlegm buildup, so that's why I do a lot of walking, and I try to do some jogging just to loosen it up. Because I will always cough up a clear phlegm. It's either liquidy, not liquidy, or it's like in chunks. So anyways, I had not walked for like 2 days, which is not good, and so yesterday I went walking in the sun, and I jogged on purpose so that I would cough up the phlegm. Whether it gets rid of all the phlegm, I don't know, but anyways, this is from Periscope. Hey, this is Arlene. So anyway, we get targeted in the lungs, and a clear phlegm builds up. Now, I'm no doctor or scientist, but the only way to get rid of it is to either like do jumping jacks or some type of whatchamacallit, either jog or jumping jacks. Something that will agitate your lungs, you know, the up and down motion. It causes it to loosen up in your stomach, and therefore spit like me, and all the phlegm coming out of your body and stuff. So I'm on Mar Vista in Whittier, and this is really heavy on herbs, big time. I noticed that it's that way also in Downey. You get a lot of them, big time. You know, a lot of them, majority of them, aren't shy about being photographed. So they've got to be on some kind of payroll or contractor. I have no idea, but anyways, just getting back to the thing is that that's the only way you're going to clear your lungs up, or else you will have to take asthma, inhalers, and all that shit. And I'm not going to do that. So usually the phlegm is clear, or it's clear and clumpy. So I did a short jog because I hadn't walked in the past couple days, so I knew my lungs were full of crap. So I know the only way I'm going to get it out is to jog and have it release and cough it up. How much of it doesn't make it, I don't know. That's the only thing I worry about, but it is what it is. Still a nice day here on the Green Trail, and just taking it all in. So anyways, I just wanted to share about the chucking of the phlegm and why it happens to TIs.